it's the Midnight Raven, and today we're doing an unboxing from poundshop.com. So if you know poundshop.com and you've watched my channel before, you will know that I buy at least 1, 2, or even 3 boxes a month. This month is going to be just one. With the pandemic, it's not exactly the best time to be spending money, but they had a whole new range come out on Pound Shop in their beauty bit, so I bought all the new items in the beauty section. Altogether, I bought 27 items in total. This time it came in just a plain cardboard box. Usually they'd have their normal purple ones. Whether these are the new boxes with the fact that Christmas is over, or it's because I didn't order a huge amount of like heavy stuff, I don't know, but this is the box I am dealing with, and so limited space around here. Basically, poundshop.com, if you don't know what they are basically a pound shop. No item on their store is more than £5, and generally their items are 1 and 2 quid, if I'm really honest. You can follow them on Instagram, and I believe they also have a Facebook page. For some reason, I have their paperwork in my thing. Usually you don't get an itemized packing list, but for some reason I have a packing list. Now, whether that's because they've been getting complaints because a lot of their orders were wrong over Christmas, I don't know. Or it could be that the person that packed my box left it in it, more than likely. So we're just going to keep it anyway and go through it. So I spent, altogether, I had 27 items. Now, most of these were £1. If the prices are different, I will put it up on the video. I haven't got a list right now of how much they are, but some were 2 quid, I know for a fact. So let's get into the video. If you want to follow me, you can follow me on Instagram as well. I am at the Midnight Raven, and I do have a playlist with all my Pound Shop stuff. So let's get into the video. What do we go for first? Let's go for these. So everything in this box is makeup and beauty themes. There is no food and nothing else, basically. So these are the Elysium Spa bath bombs in vanilla sugar, and you get 3 bath bombs in there. I have bought so many of these Elysium bath salts and sold so many of them. I'm an eBay reseller as well, so if you want to check out my reselling page, it's in the link in the description. Next, we have this Novi Healthy Shine Bamboo and Lotus Shampoo. Now, I believe this was 2 quid. This is 500 mils, and it's infused with precious lotus bloom and exotic bamboo to leave your hair energized, shiny, and looking healthy. Now, I believe this was £2, but it'll come up on there if it has changed in price, because some of the items I buy are normally £1, but I did branch out this time and buy some £2 items because I wanted to buy all their new stuff. Next, we have the hand brand. This is 40 varnish removal wipes. These are acetone wipes. These are perfect for removing your nail varnish. They're also vegan, and you get 20 in each little pod, which you can actually take around with you. So if you go away on holiday, if you go to hotels, if you just stay at your boyfriend's for the night, you can take them with you. Always handy. Okay, next we have Herbal Essence Dazzling Shine Conditioner, and this is with lime essence. Now that's kind of different to get lime. What it smells like. Don't usually have stuff fragrance for lime, but it's got that kind of clean citrusy smell, so that's kind of cool. Okay, next, what do we get? Ooh. Next, we got a Revolution product. This is the Makeup Revolution London, and this is the matte base powder. It is actually like cream. You can't really see it very well, but it is kind of cream. There we go. It's a creamy colour. There were like 3 different Revolution products. There was this one that was £1, and then there were 2 other ones, which I think was a bronzer and a highlighter, or a bronzer and a blusher, but they were 2 quid. So I just got this one at £1. All the stuff I buy from Pound Shop, I resell on my eBay store, and I generally do make a profit, which is kind of cool. Next, this will come in handy. This is moisturizing lip balm in pink grapefruit. You have no idea how much lip balm I have sold over the last 6 months. Since having to wear masks, it's now become second nature for people to wear lip balm, and even my face is suffering, so I might have to keep one of these for myself. And then I got the moisturizing lip balm in Pearl Shine. So this one's in pink grapefruit. This is in Pearl Shine. I don't know whether it has an actual scent to that one, but this one actually does taste of grapefruit, which is kind of cool. I wouldn't have thought it before, but it actually does. It's only a light scent, so it's not overpowering, but it is kind of cool. Next, we have this Bristow's Hair Refresh Day Shampoo in Tropical Paradise. This refreshes your hair between washes. It's 150 ml and gives volume and bounce. Kind of smells like flowers. So Tropical Paradise kind of smells fresh and floral. That's kind of cool. What else did we get? I've got so many cool items to show you today. It's unbelievable. Okay, next we have Face Facts, which is a new brand they're doing stuff with. And this is the coffee body scrub to help refresh and gently exfoliate skin. It's also vegan. So how cute is this? So this is basically something maybe you could hang in the shower. You just open it up, take some of it out and do it back up, which I think is really cool. And these are obviously, I'm guessing, recyclable. Maybe why it's in that, or it's just so you can have it in the shower and hang it up. But it's a coffee scrub. So Face Facts is one of the new companies they're doing stuff with. Next, we have the Face Facts forehead and chin pore strips. So if you find that your T-zone here or down the bottom is getting dry, you can use these. These help to tighten pores, and they're also vegan and enriched with witch hazel, which is meant to be good for lines. So you get 6 strips in there. Then from the same company, Face Facts, we have the Smooth Puffy Tired Eyes. These are the gel patches. You get 4 pairs in total, and these are infused with collagen and cucumber extract. Now, cucumber is also good for dark circles and fine lines under your eyes, and they also help to rejuvenate the skin so you don't get baggy eyes, which is, with the pandemic, you're probably sleeping less and finding that your skin is suffering, like mine. Next, we had another one from Face Facts, and this is the brightening face sheet. So now we're doing the whole face this time. And this helps to tone and brighten your complexion. It's infused with pomegranate and rose flower oil. There's 2 face masks in there, and they are also vegan. So the face masks here just come in one little pack. You use them for about 20 minutes and then take them off. The patches I show you for the eyes, the under eye patches look like this. 2 little ones, and you basically contour it to your eyes. I forgot to show you actually the inside. And then the actual nose and chin strip, or the brow and chin strip, comes like this, and they're both in the same packet, which is kind of cool. I do like this new company that they're doing stuff with. They have so many cool brands. We'll come back to some more of their stuff in a minute. Let's do something else. Again, Face Facts, but this time we have actual brightening serum enriched with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. And then we also have a sheet mask, which is 100% biodegradable sheet mask, which infuses the skin, brightens it, renews it, and firms it. And this is also vegan. I like how beauty products are taking the initiative and all becoming like vegan now. And then on the back, it shows you how to do it. So you take both items, split them, you do one side, and then you do the other, which I think is quite cool that it actually shows you how to do it. To get that, it takes about 20 minutes, and then obviously you have the serum, which I think is brilliant. What else do we have? Okay, some more masks, and this is the nose pore strips, again from Face Facts, and this is infused with tea tree oil this time. Inside you get 6 strips. So the little strips are in here, and basically they just go across your nose and help with people like me who unfortunately wear glasses and find that their nose dries out and gets really sore very easily. And the fact it's infused with tea tree oil is really good for fine lines as well. It does help to rejuvenate your skin, and you get 6 lots of treatment in there. Next, we have the Face Facts Age Defying Facial Scrub with antioxidant rich acaberry, and it's vegan. So again, same company, Face Facts. They have so many products at the minute, and I've literally bought the entire range. So again, nice little tube size, and this is 75 mils. And I like the fact that it's infused with a berry. I love the berry smell, in my personal opinion. It's one of my favourites. And then we have the Face Facts Eye Defying Cream, again enriched with antioxidants and acaberry. And this time we are looking at just 25 mils, just a smaller travel size. You put this in your bag and take it with you when you go on holiday or just out and about. It's one of these ones that you can just about stick in your purse. Again, the acaberry is really nice. Next, we have Face Facts Age Defying Night Cream, and again infused with the same acaberry. Because acaberry is actually really good for your skin. It's good for hydration. It's good for fine lines. It's literally an all-round berry. Nice little pot, just simple, no fuddy-duddiness. Just a simple little pot. Everything. Oh, that smells gorgeous. Really strong berry smell, which I absolutely love. May not be to all people's tastes, but I love the smell of the berries. Okay, we have another cream. This is the Face Facts Age Defying Day Cream. So I won't open this one. It'll be exactly the same as the other one, but it's a day cream. 50 mils. Now, I'm never aware if a day and a night cream literally have the same stuff on it and they just put a different name on it. But it is vegan again, which is also good for the environment. Next, we have the Skin Academy Moisturizing Foot Socks. This contains 1 treatment enriched with rose flower oil and pomegranate seed, and it's vegan. So this is from Skin Academy, and I bought loads of stuff from them. So basically, they come like this. Inside here, you will find 2 socks, which on the inside are infused with like a cream. You put them on your feet for about 20 minutes. You take them off and you rinse your feet off and towel dry them. And it's meant to leave them moisturized, which I think is really cool. It is only a one-time use, but they are really cool and they really do work. I've used foot socks before and they are great. But if you don't like the foot socks, you could also use this. How cute is the packaging? This is the Foot Factory Foot Scrub with very, very infused for softening, smoothing, exfoliating, and it's also vegan. How cool is this? Now, I've never seen products that come like this. I mean, it's the Foot Factory and it's actually in the shape of a foot. So this is foot scrub. So basically it'll take all the dead skin off, take the impurities out of your foot, which is pretty cool. Then we also have the Foot Factory Foot Lotion in Very Berry. This is again vegan, and it's to help hydrate and helps to soothe your tired feet. Oh, it smells so good. So another berry one. So berries are very in now apparently. Then we have a foot soak. Look at that. So this is the foot soak. Again, it's in Very Berry. It's vegan. It's softening, moisturizing, and relaxing. Every time the smell is just gorgeous. So, like I said, if you're not one for foot socks, then you could try the scrub, you could try the soak, or the lotion. And how cute are these little feet? Can you imagine giving that as a present with the fact it's got toes? Oops. Okay. A couple of items left. Next, we have the Face Facts Age Defying Mud Mask. Ooh, I love a mud mask. This is again vegan and it's infused again with acaberry. You can literally smell it through the the thing. It's that strong. God. Okay, next. Let's show you this. How cute is this? Now this was £2. This is the Star Wars toiletry bag with Kylo Ren toiletries. So you get the, let's see if I can get in it. You get the really cute bag, and then inside you get the Star Wars bath and body wash, 150ml. And you also get the shampoo, which is 150ml. So you get both of them. Plus you get the Star Wars bag, which is pretty cool. You've got a symbol on the top there, if you could just about see it. And the actual bag itself has a design actually on the front of it. I don't know if you can see that. But on the front of it actually has a Kylo Ren design on the actual bag. I don't know if I can show you very well. So actually on the bag here, it has a Kylo Ren design, which is pretty cool. And then you get the two other things. And this came out as a gift set at Christmas. But it was only £2. And I didn't buy it at Christmas for some God knows reason. But yeah, it's got a design on the actual thing of Kylo Ren, which I think is quite cool. And that was £2. Absolute bargain. And then I have just 3 items left. Next we have the Detox Olurium Era. I can't pronounce that. But this is Detox. And you basically make your own face masks. Basically this is the mask purifying agent and you get the mask purifying detox. So this is the instructions are on the back and you make your own detox mask. So you make a purifying mask and then you make a detox mask, and there is enough with the stuff to make the 2 different masks. And you get this one, and this one is infused with, what is it infused with? One's got charcoal and white kaolin clay, and the other one is white kaolin clay. That's kind of cool. They were £2 each. Then you get the rose infused masks. These ones are 2 masks. You've got the gentle rose mask and the eye mask. One is infused with rose petals and the eye mask is infused with pomegranate seed oil. And you make these yourself. These are little DIY kits. So you've got one for your eyes and one for your T-zones. That was £2. And then the last one is the spa mask. This again is an invigorating mask and a calming bath salt. How cool is that? So one of them makes an invigorating mask and then the other one makes calming bath salts. That is so cool. And these were £2 and you get to make your own masks, your own bath stuff, your own T-zone stuff, and these were £2 each. Which is why I didn't get as much stuff this month, because I bought some £2 items. These were definitely £2 each, and this was definitely £2. And a couple of the other items, I think most of the items were £1, if I'm honest. But like I said, if they're different priced, it will pop up on the screen that they were different. But yeah, I spent around £30. I bought 27 items. Some of them were £2, so I didn't have as many items as I would normally. Usually I would have 30 or 35 items. The postage is £4.95. It comes from DPD. It's a brilliant service. Delivery is usually in 3 to 5 working days, except during the pandemic where it has turned into 7 days. But you have to expect delays with the snow, with the pandemic, and just the world in general right now. So if you want to see more from me, you can follow me on Instagram. I load pictures of what I've got. If you want to see more videos, you can also check out my playlists for poundshop.com, link in the description. And if you want to see my eBay reselling page and help the channel or donate, you can do it by PayPal or by my eBay. And I will see you very soon for another video. Take care and thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye.